Hi boys and girls, today we will have our reading lesson. For this video, you will need a piece of paper and pencil or a whiteboard and marker. If you need more time during the video, you can press the pause button to have more time to write or to read your words. And then when you're ready to watch the video again, you can press the play button. Let's get started. First, we will say our sounds. You will say the sound, and a few seconds later, you will hear me say the sound. Mm. Ah. B. T. J. I. K. G. Ah. L. Ch. Mm. D. S. Eh. Now we will read words and sentences. First, you will see a word and then you will see a sentence. Read the word by yourself and then check as I read the word. If you need more time, pause the video and then press play when you're ready for me to hear the word. Ready to check? At, pet. Ready to check? I have a pet, pet, dog, dog. I have a pet dog. Den, den. Ready to check? I go to the den. I go to the den. Jet, jet, jet. Ready to check? We see the jet. We see the jet. Ready to check? Men. Men. Ready to check? The men are big. Big. The men are big. Ready to check? And then. And then. Ready to check? I go home and then I play. I go home, then I play. Ready to check? Ed, Ted. Ready to check? Ed, Ted is a an man. Ted is a man. Ready to check? At, set, at, set. Ready to check? I at set the bag down. I set the bag down. Ready to check? Them. Them. Ready to check? I will play with them. I will play with them. Now it's time to write words and sentences. I will tell you the word to write, then show you the word. I will tell you the sentence to write, then show you the sentence. Remember, if you need more time before you want to check, you can pause the video. Your first word is get. Get. Ready to check? Here is the word get. Get. Ready for this sentence? I get the net. I get the net. Ready to check? I get the net. Your next word is 10. 10. Ready to check? 10. 10. Your next sentence is I have 10 dots. I have 10 dots. Ready to check? I have 10 dots. Your last word is red. Red. Ready to check? Ed. Red. Your next sentence is I like red hens. I like red hens. Ready to check? I like red hens. Good job, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.